Alright, what's going on, guys? And today I got two new window ACs. One of these is a side mounted, like a up and down mounted window AC, 10,000 BTU Frigidaire. I think it is Frigidaire. I don't think it's a rebrand. I think it actually is one. Someone could tell me otherwise. Plug on this is the same one as that GE I carried home. I filmed it, so something makes me suspect something about that. But then here's a Zenith branded, what do you call it? LG. It's junk, 6,500 BTU. This one was interesting because I was carrying these both in my wagon. My wagon actually broke, the wheel broke off, but and this one fell out, and it all the Freon came out, so I don't even know if it's worth saving anything now. But so go ahead and plug them up and see if they run. First I'm going to do the Zenith, which is obviously an LG. Okay, you got a beep, so that's good. So I'm going to turn it on. Okay, fan turns on. I doubt that the compressor will turn on because it is broke. But you never know. Because the compressor, it works. Air temperature ain't really changing because the Freon's out of it. There's a slight change. Freon came out of it, so I don't know. I don't think there's gonna be much of a change there, but let's go ahead and turn it off. The compressor does turn on, but it gets a little cold.
How?
But I don't know. There's no Freon in it. So I guess we'll see if the Frigidaire works now. So, well, that works, kind of. So I'm surprised it even works at all. Like the compressor even. I don't know. I mean, I guess unless that was something else that was hissing, I honestly think that the Freon's out of it.
Is there any other liquids except for water and Freon?
Huh?
Is there any other liquids except for water and Freon?
There's no water in these. The water only comes from the condensation on the inside coil because it removes moisture. Alright, let's see if this thing runs. Nothing happened when I plugged it in, so I turned it on. Nothing. So it's got a bad plug.
What?
It's got a bad plug.
It does?
Yeah.
Does it work at all?
Yeah.
Why is your camera on the floor?
Because I'm changing the plugs. If this hadn't have fallen out of the goddamn wagon, it would be a perfectly working fucking AC. I could have used it.
Could you take the cord off that one and put it on this one?
Not really, they're different ratings. I don't want to put a 6,500 BTU cord on a 10,000 BTU because I don't think it's safe, but I guess it could be done. I'm gonna just leave this on for a little bit and see. I can't recharge with Freon, so I guess I could, but kind of hard. Yeah, the compressor doesn't sound very good. I don't even think the air gets any different. Maybe a tiny bit cooler. Definitely not working. Yeah, but there's an LG right there with a broken compressor. Not broken, but no Freon. So, well, anyways, that's that for now. Let's see if I can get these both reworking and stuff. So, thanks for watching.